Oh no, has your iPhone been hacked? Don't worry about it. There is a way to lock down and secure your iPhone, and it's built into iOS. I'm the CyberGuy. More quick tips like this at cyberguy.com. Sign up for my free newsletter. This iPhone feature is called lockdown mode, and you can turn it on if you feel like you're being targeted by a highly sophisticated cyber attack. Here's some signs that you might be under attack. Number one, your iPhone is behaving strangely, such as crashing, overheating, draining battery faster than usual, or making noises when not in use. Number two, you notice unfamiliar apps or files on your iPhone, or your settings have been changed without your permission. Number three, you receive suspicious messages or calls from unknown numbers, or your contacts report receiving messages or calls from you that you did not send or make. Finally, you see unusual charges on your phone bill or data usage, or your iPhone uses more data than usual even when it's idle. If you notice any of these signs, you might want to consider turning on lockdown mode as soon as possible. Enabling lockdown mode is easy. First, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap Lockdown Mode. A pop-up screen is going to appear with information about lockdown mode. At the bottom of the screen, you can tap Turn on Lockdown Mode. You need to know this though, when in lockdown mode, your iPhone's features will become extremely limited. For example, location services will be disabled, so will attachments and preview of messages. Receiving phone calls and FaceTime calls from unknown numbers won't happen. Automatic device connections like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and more are also disabled. This extreme safety measure exists for the worst possible scenario. Follow me at cyberguy.com where you can sign up for my free CyberGuy Report newsletter.